Hey guys, I'm Nick from LBK Design Build. So we're here at our project in Chesterfield, New Jersey, where demo is officially underway. Today we're going to be removing all of the upper and lower kitchen cabinets, all the countertops. These tile floors will be removed and replaced with the same engineered hardwoods that are going throughout the rest of the first story. Over here in the living room area, all of this hardwood flooring is a glue-down hardwood floor, so we're going to be demoing that, reinstalling new flooring, which will get stained, sealed. So here we're going to be taping up a lot of these openings, as well as some fixtures that are going to be exposed to a lot of the dust from the demolition.